Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my Allah is also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for latest video. So while the wait is over, today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed, beautiful cave ideas, cat house. So well, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Different designing, fabulous crocheting work. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different shapes, different ideas of crochet cat bed. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat house, and you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi pattern, different designing, fabulous crocheting work. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Follow my channel, press the bell icon and good comment in comment section. You can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.